Here's a little trick I use to soften butter. This come right out of the fridge. It's hard, so take it, stick it in the microwave, and cook time 10 seconds, and then power level 2, and let that run for a second. And sometimes you got to do this 2 or 3 times. All right, so there's that. I'm gonna rotate it 180. It's already getting soft. I'll do the bottom. Cook time 10 seconds. Power level 2. And I think that should probably do it. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's getting soft here. I'm gonna turn it. It's a little hard right here, so. Cook time 5 seconds. Power level 1. Let's try that. All right. And that did it. You can see it's soft, still cool to the touch, and you use that in a cookie batter if you wanted, but it's not melted at all.